Centuries ago, people have discovered the beneficial properties of the papaya fruit, and since then, enjoyed their musky and unique taste. This fruit is native to Mexico, and it is considered an exotic fruit. It has the shape of a pear, and it is also called caraca papaya or pawpaw. This fruit can be used as a natural remedy. It can effectively treat heart diseases, hypertension, wounds, digestive issues and even cancer. It is a rich source of many nutrients, such as vitamin C, carotenoids, and flavonoids like B vitamins, pantothenic acid, folate, and minerals such as potassium, copper and magnesium. The seeds of this fruit are round and black. They have a bitter and strong taste, while its flesh is orange with yellow or pink hues on it. But sadly, not many people are aware how beneficial the seeds of the papaya fruit can be, and they are throwing them away. Antioxidants. The seeds of the fresh papaya fruit are filled with countless antioxidants, phenolic acid compounds, and flavonoid compounds, which can easily inhibit the abnormal tumors and cancer cells, and prevent from free radical damage. The seeds also contain isothiocyanates, which can also treat prostate, lung, breast, colon cancer and leukemia. Antiviral and antibacterial properties. You can prevent from viral infections, salmonella, E. coli, dengue and other germs, with the use of papaya seeds. Protects the kidneys. You can prevent from renal failure and improve the function of your kidneys, with the juice from the papaya seeds. Regulate blood pressure. The papaya seeds have a compound, called carpene, that can decrease the diastolic and systolic elevated blood pressure. Treat inflammation. The papaya seeds contain one of the strongest anti-inflammatory properties, therefore soothing arthritis pain, gout and asthma, but that is mostly because of the enzymes they contain, such as chymotapin and papain. The seeds are able to prevent from joint diseases, and soothe pain, redness and swelling. Improve vision. With the papaya seeds you can provide huge amounts of nutrients which are needed for a healthy vision, regenerate the cells and treat any eye disorder. They can be used as natural cures for eye diseases, like cataracts. Eliminate worms and parasites. The papaya seeds contain proteolytic enzymes, which is why they are able to break down undigested protein waste from foods we consume, eliminate intestinal parasites, and their eggs as well. Improve digestion. Since they are a rich source of proteolytic enzymes such as chymotapin, glycylindopeptidase, keratin and papain, they can easily support your digestion. Relieve menstrual pain. Consuming papaya seeds regularly will ease the PMS symptoms, soothe the menstrual pain as well. They will also prevent from menstrual cramps and fatigue. Liver protection. With the use of papaya seeds you can improve your liver's function, detoxify it, treat cirrhosis, therefore cleanse your whole body. Strengthen bones. The papaya seeds contain huge amounts of protein and calcium, therefore they are able to strengthen the muscles and bones, and prevent from related disorders and issues. Treat acne. Consuming papaya seeds regularly will help you treat acne, pimples and cleanse your skin. Mixing papaya seeds and leaves in your blender with a small amount of water, then applying that paste on your face will help you reduce their appearance, and will cleanse your skin as well. Let the mixture act about 10 minutes. Prevent aging. The papaya seeds contain amino acids, such as leucine and glycine, which are perfect to prevent from wrinkles and slow down the aging of the skin. Natural contraceptive. Consuming a tablespoon of the papaya seeds on daily basis will decrease the production of sperm, but without harming or affecting the libido. How to use the papaya seeds. If you want to reap the benefits from the papaya seeds, you can add them into almost every meal, or you can consume them raw from the fruit. Also you can use a pestle or mortar to crush them, then use a dehydrator or put them in the sun, then grind them and use that powder to add it into your salads, shakes, stews, smoothies and soups. Make sure you put only 1 tablespoon of the powder. You will start only with 1 tablespoon on daily basis, but as the time passes then you can increase the dosage of the powder gradually, then you will reach tablespoons, but be careful because the taste is very strong. Avoid these seeds during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share this video with your friends and family too.